Welcome back to Factic. Today we're tackling one of the biggest home theater questions heading into 2026. Soundbar versus full surround sound system. As TVs get larger and streaming content becomes more cinematic, choosing the right audio setup matters more than ever. In this video, we're comparing two powerful but very different approaches to immersive audio. The JBL Bar 1002 Malawian Quatches and the Klipsch Reference Premier RP 8000 F2 bass surround system. On one side, you have JBL's premium Dolby Atmos soundbar setup, designed for wireless convenience and modern living spaces. On the other, Klipsch offers traditional floor-standing speakers built for raw power, precision, and long-term expandability. We'll break down their design, features, sound performance, setup requirements, and real-world value to help you decide which system truly fits your home theater needs in 2026. If you enjoy honest tech comparisons, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. The JBL Bar 1002 Malawian Quatches and Klipsch Reference Premier RP 8000 F2 represent two completely different audio philosophies. JBL focuses on an all-in-one, wireless Dolby Atmos experience, while Klipsch delivers traditional high-fidelity performance that forms the foundation of a full 5.1 or even 7.1 home theater system. Starting with the JBL Bar 1002 Malawian Quatches. This is a 7.1.4 channel Dolby Atmos soundbar system that includes a main soundbar, two detachable wireless rear speakers, and a powerful 10-inch wireless subwoofer. JBL uses its multi-beam technology combined with up-firing drivers to create true overhead effects without the need for ceiling speakers. Explosions, helicopters, and rain effects feel convincingly three-dimensional, especially in small to medium-sized rooms. One of JBL's biggest advantages is ease of setup. The rear speakers dock magnetically to the soundbar to charge, and then connect wirelessly when placed behind you. There's no speaker wire running across the room, no AV receiver to configure, and no complex calibration process. JBL's built-in room calibration automatically adjusts sound based on your space, ensuring balanced performance right out of the box. Connectivity is another strong point. The Bar 1002 Malawian Quatches supports HDMI eARC, Dolby Atmos, DTS, X-Wi-Fi streaming, Bluetooth, and Chromecast built-in, making it highly compatible with modern TVs, gaming consoles, and streaming services. With a rated output of around 880 watts, the system delivers strong volume, punchy bass, and clear dialogue, making it ideal for movies, TV shows, and casual music listening. In contrast, the Klipsch Reference Premier RP 8000 F2 is not an all-in-one solution. It's a pair of passive floor-standing speakers designed to be the front left and right channels in a traditional surround sound system. Each speaker features Klipsch's 1-inch titanium linear travel suspension tweeter paired with a hybrid Tractrix horn, along with dual 8-inch cerametallic woofers. This design delivers extremely high efficiency, crisp highs, and powerful mid-bass impact. With a sensitivity rating of around 98 dB, the RP 8000 F2 speakers can produce room-filling sound with minimal amplifier power. They are rated at 150 watts RMS and up to 600 watts peak, making them capable of handling dynamic movie soundtracks without distortion. Dialogue sounds natural and forward, while action scenes feel explosive and lifelike. However, it's important to note that the Klipsch speakers require additional components. To create a true 5.1 surround system, you'll need an AV receiver, a center channel speaker, surround speakers, and a dedicated subwoofer. This means higher overall cost, more setup time, and significantly more space required. But the payoff is superior stereo imaging, deeper soundstage width, and greater long-term flexibility. When it comes to sound quality, the Klipsch setup has a clear advantage in raw performance. Physical speakers moving real air simply deliver a more natural and powerful sound than virtual surround processing. Music playback, in particular, sounds more detailed and dynamic on the Klipsch system. Meanwhile, the JBL excels in immersive surround effects, especially for Dolby Atmos content, without the complexity of traditional systems. In terms of design, The JBL Bar 1002 Malawian Quatches is sleek and modern, blending easily into living rooms. The Klipsch RP 8000 F2 speakers are large, bold, and visually commanding, clearly designed for dedicated home theater spaces. Ultimately, the JBL Bar 1002 Malawian Quatches is perfect for users who want maximum immersion with minimal effort, while the Klipsch RP 8000 F2 system is ideal for enthusiasts who prioritize pure sound performance and future upgrades. So, which one should you choose? The JBL Bar 1002 Malawian Quatches and the Klipsch Reference Premier RP 8000 F2 bass surround system are both excellent, but they're built for very different listeners. If you want a clean setup, wireless convenience, and true Dolby Atmos immersion without filling your room with equipment, the JBL Bar 1002 Malawian Quatches is a smart and powerful all-in-one solution for 2026. It delivers cinematic sound with minimal hassle and fits perfectly into modern homes. On the other hand, if you're chasing that authentic theater experience with deeper dynamics, wider soundstage, and the ability to upgrade over time, Klipsch's RP 8000 F2 speakers form the backbone of a serious home cinema setup. Both systems bring movies to life in their own way. The real question is, do you value simplicity or ultimate performance? Let us know in the comments, like the video, subscribe to Factic, and we'll see you in the next comparison.